Hi, today we are going to see one more topic from informatica, that is aggregator transformation. The aggregator transformation is an active and connected transformation which is used to perform aggregate calculations such as sum, averages, count, maximum, etc. The integration service performs aggregate calculation as it reads and stores the group data and row data in an aggregate cache. Now we are going to see the components of the aggregator transformation. The aggregator transformation contains the following components. They are aggregate cache, aggregate expression, group by port, and sorted input. Okay, these things I will explain with a small example. Already I have created one map named by m underscore agg underscore department underscore sal, and it contains one aggregator transformation, and I am using the source as employee data, and which is a familiar one. Here I will try to create the aggregator transformation once again for you. Okay, it is very easy to create. This is the aggregator transformation icon. You have to click this and you have to drag like this. After that you can rename it. Okay, first I will try to drag what all the things are required. Here I am going to drag sal and department number. You can put department number first and sal second. Okay, and I am going to add one more port, that is group sal. That means department wise total salary we are going to calculate with the help of the aggregate transformation. Okay. Always this group, that means always that where you want to do the aggregation, that aggregation expression like sum, count, and maximum, minimum, etc., that port should always be output port. So we have to remove this. Here we have to use sum of, what we are going to do is sum of sal for each department. Okay, now we are going to group by department number wise. So we have done the group by, and we have created one port which contains the total salary of the department, and we have added the expression over here in the output port, that is sum of salary. Okay, and what already I have created the workflow. In the workflow I have given one name, just I will AGG group sal I have given. I have to give this name. And for your information, the naming convention here, it always starts with AGG. For filter transformation is FIL. For router means it's RTR. For aggregator, the naming convention, it should always start with AGG. You should remember this. Okay. Okay, everything is fine. And here I need to explain the properties. Here it contains the cache directory. Why we need cache in aggregator transformation? Actually, what happens in the informatica server? Actually, the integration service stores the data in the aggregate cache until it completes the aggregate calculation. That means the incoming data will be captured and kept it in the memory. Okay, then the integration service stores the group values in an index and stores the row data, that means the data in the data cache. What is the group values? Actually, group values means here we are grouping by department number. Then the index cache will store values of the grouped ports like 10, 20, 30, etc. That values be stored in that index cache. The data cache is always larger than the index cache. The rest of the information other than the group by information will be stored in the data cache. They are variable port if we any created in the aggregated transformation, and port for which aggregate functions are used, and non-group by input ports used in a non-aggregate output exhibition. These things is stored in the data cache. Okay. And these things I left it as auto, and it will automatically calculate. And in real time environment depends upon the resource, how much resource you are having. Based on that you can calculate it. And the sorted input, what is the purpose of this sorted input? The sorted input actually it improves the performance, and if you are using the sorted input means you have to use the sorted transformation before the aggregator transformation. Okay, that means the incoming data is already sorted. If you are using the sorted transformation before the aggregator transformation, then you have to click this sorted input. Otherwise, if you click this sorted input, then it will show the error at the runtime. Okay, these are all the some important properties you should know for this aggregator transformation. Okay, and I'm going to connect it to this one. Actually, here I am using the flat file, and how we are going to create the flat file target, it is very easy. You can go over here and create this, and you can give the one name, and you can create the flat file target, and columns we can add. Okay, and already the workflow for this I have created. Don't forget to mention the connection object over here, and target is this one, and here you have to mention the path. So I'm using the target. I am going to store in the local directory. I'm just giving the output file directory and output file name. Okay, and as I've recreated the map, I have to do the refresh. Now I am going to run it. It's now running. What is the time? Is now 3:20. Okay. Here it has got generated. Department 10 total salary is 12,350, and department 20 10,875, and department 30 is 9,400. Have to confirm by using this query. Here I am using the query select department number, sum of salary from EMP group by department number. We will again issue this, and it okay, anyway we will give by order by 1, so that ascending order we will be getting, and we can check here. Department number 10 is 12,350, and 20 is and 30 is 9,400, and 20 is 10,875. So we have checked by using the query, and the result generated by using the aggregated transformation are one and the same. So what we have got is correct. This is the way we have to use the aggregated transformation. This is a simple one, and you can try yourself the complicated one. And one more thing I want to tell, there is one thing called conditional class. In aggregate expression, we can reduce the number of rows by using this conditional class. For example, if you want to calculate sum of commission means, sometimes the employee number will be more in an organization. If we want to improve the performance means, then we can calculate the commission only on the persons who exceeded their quarterly quota. That means sum of commission greater than quota means, then it will reduce the number of rows, so that our aggregation can be, the result will come out quickly, so that our performance will be better. And some complicated aggregation calculations you can try by yourself. Okay, see you, bye.